Frugal living isn't just about cutting corners. It's about rewiring how you think about money. If you've tried saving before and it didn't stick, this video is for you. Because sometimes it's not about more tips, it's about a new mindset shift. Shift 1. The power of delayed gratification. Ever bought something on impulse and regretted it a day later? We all have. The habit to build here is pause. Before any non-essential purchase, give yourself 24 to 48 hours. Add it to your cart, walk away, and revisit it later. 9 times out of 10, you'll realize you didn't need it after all. Impulse buys can be sneaky. Maybe it's a kitchen gadget or an outfit you don't really need. Let it sit in your cart. Your clarity will surprise you. This isn't deprivation, it's control. You're reminding yourself, my long-term peace matters more than a short-term thrill. That mindset builds discipline, and discipline builds financial freedom. And that freedom is priceless. Shift 2. Quality over quantity. We're taught to chase deals and buy cheap, but what if cheap ends up costing more? Instead of buying low-cost items over and over, aim for quality. That doesn't mean the most expensive, it means reliable yet still affordable. Focus on your most used items. Maybe a solid winter coat, a durable bag, reliable kitchen gear. These things save money because they last. Think of it as investing in future you. Here's an example. A $50 coat that lasts 3 months might cost you $200 a year. But a $150 coat that lasts 3 years? That's $450 saved, and peace of mind every winter. Now that is breathing room you can use. You're not just buying things. You're backing yourself with the reliability you deserve. You deserve things that work, not things that wear out in a week. Shift 3. Abundance over scarcity. One of the most powerful changes you can make is how you view money. Scarcity says, there's never enough. Abundance says, I can create more. I can grow. I have options. Instead of focusing on what you can't afford, focus on what you can enjoy intentionally. Free art walks, local music nights, cooking a themed dinner with friends, having fun creative projects to do. You'd be amazed what you already have access to. For example, instead of dining out, a potluck with friends can be just as joyful and a lot cheaper. Abundance isn't about pretending to be rich. It's about knowing that wealth starts with how you think and utilizing the opportunities available to you in a beneficial way. Even small wins count. Celebrate them. Build on them. That's how lasting change happens. Frugal living isn't about restriction. It's about alignment. When your spending reflects your values, everything feels clearer. You don't have to do this perfectly. You just have to start. And if you mess up one day, that's okay. Keep going. You're building something real, and I'm cheering you on. Progress doesn't look perfect. Some weeks will feel easy, others won't. But each small step adds up. And even on the hard days, especially on the hard days, just remind yourself, you're not behind. You're becoming. Keep going. I know you can do this. I believe in you.